In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email to Salesforce. This process is designed to streamline how you track and log email communications within your Salesforce environment, helping you maintain a clear and comprehensive record of interactions with your contacts. Let's begin by accessing the necessary settings in Salesforce. First, take a look at the top right corner of the Salesforce interface. There, you'll spot a gear icon that's your gateway to all your setup options. Go ahead, click on it, and select the setup option that appears. This action will transport you to a brand new interface teeming with options to customize your Salesforce environment just the way you need it. Now, our mission is to locate the feature called Email to Salesforce. Within this setup interface, you'll discover a particularly useful tool called the Quick Find box. You'll find it sitting at the top of the sidebar on your left. Type in Email to Salesforce. Thanks to the dynamic nature of this search box, it will rapidly narrow down the available options for you. Once Email to Salesforce shows up in your results, click on it to access its settings. At this stage, the first task is to enable the feature by checking the box labeled Active. This is a crucial step as it turns on the feature for your account. After checking the box, remember to save these changes. You'll find the Save button either at the bottom or the top of the page. Hitting Save is essential because it ensures that your configuration changes are effectively implemented. With those foundation steps behind us, it's time to delve into personal settings. To proceed, click on your avatar, which is also located in the top right corner of the screen, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Once inside the settings, turn your attention to the sidebar on the left. Here, you're on the lookout for the Email section. Expand it if necessary and select My Email to Salesforce. Within this section, you'll discover your unique Email to Salesforce address. Make sure to copy this address as it will play a pivotal role in the subsequent steps. This unique address is the key that allows Salesforce to log and track your communications automatically. Now that you have this email address, the next step involves integrating it with your email client, whether you're using Gmail, Outlook, or any other service. There are a few strategies you can employ. One way is to manually add your email to Salesforce address to the BCC field whenever you're sending an email. However, for greater efficiency, you may want to automate this process. Many email clients provide options to create rules or set up automations to automatically BCC certain addresses. Set one up for your email to Salesforce address. This will ensure all your outbound communications are recorded in Salesforce without the need for manual input each time you send an email. With these steps successfully followed, you've now established a seamless setup that logs all your email interactions in Salesforce, providing enhanced oversight and reporting capabilities. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.